know people can be concerned with replacing their windows in the winter, but winter can actually be the perfect time to replace those old drafty windows. Nothing will keep you more comfortable in your home during the winter than new windows. And our certified master installers are highly trained experts that will install your new windows properly while reducing exposure to outside elements. To prevent heat loss, our installers close off each room they're working on and install one window at a time. We'll take out your old window and place in your new window in less than 5 minutes on average. Plus, with one installer working on the outside and one installer working on the inside of your home, we can install your new window efficiently while at the same time avoid tracking snow or mud into your home. With our winter installation experience, you can be confident our experts will replace your windows properly in as little as a day, so you can spend the rest of your winter being comfortable. Don't spend another winter wishing you would have replaced your windows. Ask how your winter installation can save you money and make you more comfortable in your home.